All over the world, there are areas where forests have been cleared and land has been degraded and is no longer producing what people need. This project is an example of how a local community can band together and work with scientists to develop a restoration program that serves many purposes.
Planting trees is much more than simply trying to re-establish forest. Trees provide many benefits, both in financial terms and in creating sustainable livelihoods. Reforestation provides critical environmental benefits such as improved water quality, reduction in soil loss and improved biodiversity.
Internationally speaking, there's this big debate as to whether to plant trees or not, because supposedly these trees would take too much water, thereby reducing stream flow or possibly even drying up your streams. Over the past 4 years, we've been studying the hydrology of community-managed reforestation in the island of Leyte, the Philippines. Our prime result is that the reforestation led to improved stream flow regime, such that there was flow all year round instead of seasonal flows prior to reforestation.
In this particular site, we're looking at a trial of 20 different species that are planted in 50 plots. This experiment will tell us a lot about which trees interact well and are ideal for planting in combination on rehabilitation sites.
The hill behind me here is the site of our pilot community-based reforestation project. One of the successes of the program in Biliran is the ability of the People's Organization to produce high-quality seedlings with low mortality rate.
The success I have seen in this project here in Biliran is that the skills of the people have improved, particularly in the proper planting due to the training done by the ACIAR.
Now, at the present, we have also planting agro crops, which is sweet potato, banana, cassava, pineapple, rambutan, jackfruit, lanzones, and gayubano.
The policies that we've advocated have now been put in place and drive the accreditation of nurseries within the Philippines and also the selection of mother trees for reforestation efforts nationwide. Our work has also helped the Philippine government improve the implementation of the National Greening Program, which will reforest 7 million hectares over the next 12 years.
There's been some real successes in Biliran which now provide an evidence base, not only in and of itself that's produced a lot of academic outputs, but also a really great site where many of the national partners can go and visit and showcase the work that is done and the things that are possible in other locations in the country.
ACIAR researchers, in coordination with government researchers, particularly DNR researchers, translated these research outputs into a policy. The learning from that action research project is really very important in refining our national greening program.
Our project has been successful in many senses. From a scientific perspective, we've undertaken world-class research that will inform reforestation efforts not only in the Philippines but elsewhere in the tropics. In addition, we've been very successful in building the capacity of local Filipino researchers so they can undertake similar work in the future.